Hi, this is Aziz Khan. Let's meet in our third report. Like in the previous videos, we have seen the performance report and the link report. Now, this third report, this is very important report. If you are having any problem with any other operator and there's a frequency issue, then sometimes what happens is that the operator or the regulator, he may ask you to provide a frequency coordination report so that they can see that which frequencies you are actually using. They are outside of your allotted frequency or inside. So this is a report that give us a very necessary and basic information about all the links and especially about the frequency channels. So if we open the report, we will use it for the test links so that we can live inside Ghana. Let's give it a name. The market is Ghana. The area is, I will call it test, and then let's make it. It will create a Excel file, CSV file, and then we can open and see this file. I will give it a name of test so that I can find it, and let me open it. I have put it on the desktop. So this is the test file. Okay, so you see it write the market and the state against each row. This is good that if you have a similar, sometimes what happens is that between similar site we have different links, and because of some reason we want to give some links some different marking. So this market and state can be used so that if you want to make any kind of differentiation between these links. Right now, because we have a very initial kind of network we have built, so two sides have only one link. But generally, in bigger network, in the old network or a growing network, one side may have two, three links, and those links should be with some different operators if you have site sharing or anything. So then this basically helps you, or this makes some better use of for you. So what it does is that it gives every path a number, that this is path 1, then you have different paths, then this path 1 has two sides, Tx and Rx. When Tx is 6, the Rx is 5, when Tx is 5, Rx is 6. Both of these are main, we don't have any diversity. Main frequency is 10, Tx power is 19, and bandwidth is, we don't know, we don't have put any Tx and Rx losses here. Antenna height is 5, antenna model, then what we are receiving, what kind of radio, what is the radio identifier, and FCC emission type, because these are required for the frequency coordination kind of things, and how much fade margin we have. But the main important thing I will say is the exact TX frequency and the polarization that you have. So this is good for, now for example, if you provide anyone with this data, he will know that okay, what kind of frequency you have, what kind of emission designator you are using, and what TX power you are using. So then the authority or anyone, he can do some kind of working on it, and he can ask you to either reduce this power or change the frequency or anything. So this report is basically used in frequency coordination. There are some other tools for frequency coordination. I mean, they can take reports from different sites, and then they try to correlate those. Otherwise, there are manual processes. You can correlate it manually, and then you can come to know that okay, which one is using a wrong frequency or which side is on the fault, and then you can get them corrected. So hopefully this report also should have given you some idea of frequency coordination and how it is generally done, so that you can help your regulator to better regulate the environment. So see you in my next video. Goodbye.